Hello everyone, welcome to this math problem where we are given that 0.5% of E degrees Celsius is 7 degrees Celsius. Find the value of E, and E in this case have to be my 100%. So 0.5% represents 7 degrees Celsius. 1%, I will have to divide by 0.5, and I will need to find 100%. And this will give me a value of 1400 degrees Celsius. And because E is 100%, value of E is 1400. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Round Tan here, always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.